Illinois health officials are reporting a spike in flu cases all across the state. The Illinois Department of Public Health says COVID and RSV are declining, but flu cases are at a high level. News 3's Waylon Wallace-Parker spoke with health officials and local school districts about what they're seeing in attendance rates due to the illnesses. She joins us now in studio with more.
Officials with the Southern 7 Health Department say there has recently been a big increase in emergency room visits and hospital admissions. That's due to flu cases. But also, they've seen some schools closings due to the rise of flu cases in our area. That includes Pope County School District on January 31st.
We had over 40% of our students out. And then we also had about 24 staff members out that day too. And that's anything from custodians to teachers to individual aides.
Ryan Fritsch is the superintendent for Pope County. He says they are now back open and they have most of their students back.
Today we're down to 57 out of, so we're seeing a trend that we're going down.
He says over the weekend they had some staff disinfect the school as a precaution.
We used our sprayers and our disinfectant that we had during the COVID years, and we actually sprayed down both buildings.
And over in Harrisburg, as a precaution, Superintendent Amy Dixon says they had an early dismissal last Friday and brought in an extra custodian to sanitize the schools.
We've been in touch with the health department daily. They've been sending us some information that we can push out to try to remind students to stay home if they're feeling ill.
She says they had up to 29% of their students out of school last Thursday. But she does not think they will have to cancel classes due to illnesses.
But closing school is a big deal, and we try not to close if at all possible, just because we have a lot of families that depend on us to be open while they're working.
Both superintendents say if your child feels ill with a fever, to call them out of school. And Shauna Ryan with the Southern 7 Health Department says anyone should contact their doctor if they feel sick.
You can get tested, and if you're early enough in your virus, for example, if it's the flu, you can start getting treatment within the first 48 hours. With COVID, it's anywhere within the first 5 days or so.
Ryan says it's not unusual to see an increase in flu cases during this time of year, but she says people can take steps to prevent it.
We just want you to get your flu shot, your COVID booster, and your RSV shot somewhere. So if you are able to get vaccinated, we encourage you to go ahead and do so.
The Southern 7 Health Department says they will be holding a pop-up flu vaccine clinic in Anna and Mounds on Wednesday. We will have more information on our website where people can find those locations. Live in studio, Waylon Wallace-Parker, News